Alt R. This meeting is being recorded.
Hi, I'd like to share with you a quick and easy way that I came across to end Jaws tandem sessions if you find that you have more than one Jaws tandem session going and you need to get out of tandem, possibly in order to start another tandem session with a student, or your student didn't properly end their tandem session with their last instructor and needs to start a tandem session with you, or you just can't get out of tandem the normal way. So instead of doing Control Shift Escape and going in that way and searching for JAWS JT controller, JT target, I put the JT target, JAWS tandem target, down in the system tray, which we get to with Windows B. So let me show you, and then I'll show you how to do it.
Windows B notification chevron button to activate, press space bar. System tray JAWS tandem target connected button to activate, press space bar.
So again, it's Windows B and then just a right arrow into the system tray, and you heard JT controller, JT target, and then it's applications key.
Applications, context menu, disconnect. To move through items, press up or down arrow, D.
And the first option is disconnect with D, or you can just select enter.
Connection to controlling computer closed.
And it ended my JAWS tandem session just by hitting disconnect, and that's how easy.
Leaving menus, system tray JAWS tandem.
How to do that? Super simple. This is a Windows 11 computer, and I'm going to show you on a Windows 10 computer in just a second. But your Windows key, taskbar,
K,
and then
taskbar, enter, search box, edit, taskbar, type in text, taskbar and navigation,
enter
control
into your
panel, press right to switch preview. Settings.
And once you're in your taskbar settings, you will see all the different options.
Settings. Search box.
You just tab over here.
Personal taskbar, search button, task view button off, to act, widgets button, chat button, system tray icons, show all settings button expanded, to activate, press space bar. List box, pen menu button off, to activate, press space bar. Touch keyboard, virtual, other system tray icons, show all settings button collapsed, to activate, space expanded.
Expand it.
List box, Zoom meetings, 1 of 11. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Zoom meeting, taskbar behaviors, show all settings button collapsed, to activate, press space bar.
I know if you're visually looking at this, I know my Zoom window is hiding a lot of it.
Get help, give feedback, give feedback.
A lot of these are checked off, but JT target is one of them, and I have that on. The only things I have on are JT target and the Windows update status and my volume, because I like that. And then it automatically puts on a few things like the battery and the network. I can't take those off. Once you've got that set, you're just going to Alt F4 out of here. There's no apply button.
Alt F4, desktop, folder view, list view, Zoom checked, 15 of 36. To move to items, use the arrow keys. To edit the selected item, press F2.
Go over to my Windows 10 machine and see if I can screen share on that one.
Alt S. Meeting, Zoom, meeting controls, Alt S. Your screen share is stopped. Desktop, ZP toolbar, parent, WMD, Zoom.
Give me 1 second to switch screens. Don't have sound turned on this one because there would be an echo.
Bestsellers that started screen share. You are viewing bestseller screen.
If you are a JAWS user,
share content is fit to your screen. To see the
you
original
may
side,
not hear the JAWS on this one because there will be a terrible echo if I have two computers sitting right next to each other sharing sounds on both of them. So I will walk you through what you are going to hear on this other computer. So again, same thing, Windows key, taskbar. It pulls up the taskbar settings, and it's very, very similar to what the other one looked like. We're going to tab over to taskbar. We're going to tab down until you see a link that says select which items appear on the taskbar. We're going to select that link, and then it's exactly the same as what we saw on the Windows 11 machine. We want to toggle off as many things as possible, but toggle on the JT target. And once you have that set, again, it is just Alt F4 out of there, and it is complete. You will notice on both the Windows 10 and the Windows 11 machines that down in the system tray, the JT target is not there unless you are in an active JAWS Tandem session. If there's no JAWS Tandem running, which it is not in either one of my machines right now, I'm going to end my screen share on this as well. 1 second.
Bestsellers desktop screen share.
Now we can back to the main Windows 11 machine. Down in the system tray right now.
Windows B notification chevron button. Privacy apps, system networks, system volume states, system power state.
You'll notice there's no JT Target down there right now.
Activate, press space bar, system.
Because I'm not in a Jaws Tandem session right now. And so that's another easy way to tell if you're in Jaws Tandem or not. And that is all I've got for tonight. Thanks for listening.
Alt R. Task switch. Zoom. Zoom meeting. Zoom meeting.